Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix Minecraft error code D0010 place. So if you encounter this error might be actually not from your side, it might be from Mojang's side, and it will be fixed very easily. So sometimes you can actually just fix this issue with common fixes. If you can't actually fix this issue, wait until Mojang fixes it from their side. So now I will tell you some fixes that you can do to fix this issue. The first common fix is to restart Minecraft. So save your current progress, log out of your account and close Minecraft launcher. You can now wait for a few minutes before launching the app again, or you can actually restart your whole PC. After that, log in with your credentials and check whether you can access these features. The next fix that you can do is to flush your DNS. So you can open command prompt, just click on the start menu as see from here and write cmd. After that, from here you can just open cmd and write this code ipconfig/flushdns. Once done, you can now restart the computer for the changes to come into effect. Just open the Windows menu and go to the power option and restart. So the next fix that you can do is to use a VPN. You can actually press the Windows option and select these settings as see from here. So open the settings. After you do so, you need to go to network and the internet, and now you need to go to VPN. Now you need to manage your VPN connection from here and add it to the settings. So after you do that, try opening the marketplace again and see if that works with you. Also, sometimes the modes might be interrupting your game, so try launching the game without modes and see if that works with you. So just open the game from here and see if that works without the modes. One of the things that you can do is to reset Minecraft app. So you can just go to the settings as see from here. After you go to the settings, search for apps, click on add or remove apps, and from here you can search for Minecraft. In my case, I don't have Minecraft installed, so I will go to any app to show you how to do that. So you can go to Minecraft like this and go to advanced options. After that, scroll down till you see the repair or reset option. You can choose whatever you want to reset Minecraft app. And the last thing that you can do is to try to reinstall Minecraft. So just delete the whole game, uninstall the game and reinstall it again and see if that works with you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.